That's why we are restricting that one.
Power Minister Abu Tahir Monda informed on Tuesday that the state government is working rigorously to ensure that the power project is developed in the Kynshi basin. This statement came after a meeting with a delegation from the Joint Committee of Local People on the Kynshi Hydro Power Project, who sought clarification on the government's plans to revive the Kynshi Hydro Power Project Stage 1. The minister emphasized that the government remains committed to the Kynshi Power Project and is actively seeking new entities to take over and initiate the development. Zandi Mirtong, secretary of the JCLP-KHPP, expressed the local community's eagerness for the project's commencement and requested updates on progress.
Nagaliang juning ratawa pa yagan project daypan stang noy biang sin nang makam log jin toy nak manta pai pa so katong katang gajin pada saya ke celah i barpoi nama ku magi menta ke celah mikraji ka don ke jin kedu boarding ke besar kai dalam pointan madu penai Oktober senai ter mai April kundu nagaliang juning la tepat sorkar ke balik klonya ke balik menta.
We are working vigorously to see that some power project comes into the Kynshi basin, and I am very happy that they promise that whatever cooperation is required, they will be extended. There was a fruitful discussion. We are looking forward to see that some power project comes into the basin.
The United Democratic